My customer has forgotten the BIOS password of HP ProBook 4530S, so it's not working. So okay, I need to press a power button to shut down, and let's go to BIOS again, restart. It is showing like this, and the password is forgotten. So what I will do is now I'll turn off this laptop. Okay, flip the laptop. And I know that BIOS chip is hidden out here. So let's remove this cover gently. I think so. Okay. Now I find the BIOS chip, and the password is entered in this chip, and customer has forgotten. When I try to install Windows, the Windows is not able to install, so I will remove this one and reset the password. Okay, I have removed this IC. Now I need to program it. To program this IC, I have RT809F Series ISP Programmer. So I need to clean this IC by alcohol. After that, I install this IC inside this programmer. Okay. This too. This, and I've tried to reset the password from this website, but it is not working. So because the error code is not giving, so I just open iFixed programmer and read. The chip was not recognizing, so I clean it once more, and let's try. Okay, now it is reading, so let's read it. It is going. It is verifying. The chip read successfully. Now it is auto verifying. Okay, I'll keep this backup. Create new folder, HPBRO Pro book. So I keep this this BIOS backup file in this folder. So after reading successfully, I will open the file which I have created. Okay, sorry. Okay, the telegram. Okay, this is the file. Now we'll write, and it has start programming. The BIOS has been already detected by my friend, so I need to put like this. It is reading, programming. Now write successfully and verify also. Now I'll just close this one. I remove this IC, and okay, so it was looking like this. get done. It takes time. So let's cool it first. We'll clean it. Press F10. Log into F10 as a guest user. Yes. Okay. Now it is successfully repaired and the password has resetted. So yes, now I can install Windows as I want. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will show you my setup. This is my setup lah. If you have any cases regarding laptop, you can visit Sunrise Computer Technology. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.